Okay, time to answer the Facebook question. So first question that I pick is by Priya Verma. She asked me about the challenges that I faced as a newcomer to the YouTube field. Okay, so for me everything was a challenge because I was like a beginner, had no idea, had no reference, had no friends who knew about things, so I had to do everything on my own. Girish Kannan has come here to criticize. He said, what's the one quality you possess that makes you think you are doing your job properly? Because the last time I saw you make a video, it has so many flaws. So why do you still choose this line of work? Because Girish, there are so many people apart from you who think that I'm doing a good job, a great job, and that's why I still continue to do it. And I know I'm good at my job. If there are flaws, that doesn't mean one stops working. Innocent Mahin asked me, why don't I expand my work and add more people to it? Trust me, nobody wants it so badly than I want it. I will do it when I'm really capable of doing it. Vinay Varsha Prakash Bhavani. He asked me, बस ये राज जानना है that 24/7 आप अपने आप को इतना smiling and refreshing कैसे रखते हो? I've never seen you getting low. Oh, that's so sweet. You have never seen me low, but matter of fact, I do get low. It's just that I really don't choose to show it to other people because क्या मतलब there's no point. किसी को अपना उदासी, अपना sadness दिखा के क्या फायदा? It's better I show my happy side to other people, so that they get a little motivation from it and they start making their lives themselves happy. Neha Belvansi asked me, what is love according to me? When you really understand and accept a person as he or she is. D. Vishaka asked me, from where did I complete my masters and what were the requirements and what did I submit in my portfolio? So Vishaka, I did my masters from the same college I did my degree from, that is KPB Hinduja College of Commerce. It's in Chennai Road. I didn't have to do anything, go through any entrance exam because I scored distinction in degree, so I just had to fill a master's ka form and submit it, and they just gave me admission into masters. Okay, so Asha Gupta wrote a very sweet comment for me and she asked me, from where do I get my energy? I am this person, I don't pretend to be like this. I honestly don't know kahan se aati hai itni energy. There's no source I am aware of. Husaina Barodawala asked me, what's your hobby? A lot of things. I like dancing, reading, singing to a lot of music, watching movies, cooking sometimes. Rajupti Bhattacharya asked me, who's my crush in Bollywood and which type of movies do I like? Okay, so I like horror movies, like not Bollywood ka horror movies, they are pathetic. I mean, they are not horror, they are funny, they are comedy. I like rom-com movies, like light-hearted movies. I like comedy movies. Indrapreet Kaur asked me, what's the secret behind maintaining your body shape despite being a foodie? Love you a lot. Thanks a lot, Indrapreet, for all the lovely words. So honestly, yes, I'm a big foodie, you know that from my Instagram page, I believe. And honestly, I have no routine, no diet, no chart, nothing. Trust me. Yashvardhan Singh asked me, in which class you first fall in love? I was in 11th standard and I was literally in love with MS Dhoni. I used to literally bunk my college lectures to watch the repeat telecast and to watch the highlights, and to watch him in the news and everything. I was like that kind of mad behind him. So 11th standard. Monalisha asked me, would you like to come for another food crawl with me anytime? Okay, so Shivani Rajawat asked me, what will be the last line of my autobiography? It will be Swaha. Swaha means I accept everything. I think I fairly answered all your questions, and everyone asking about meet and greet, trust me, nobody wants it as bad as I want it to happen. So whenever there is a chance, I will let you guys know. So thanks a lot everyone for coming and dropping your questions. Repeated the, obviously that's why I didn't answer them, but then you can find all the answers to all the questions in the description box below. Should I stop dancing? Yes, I should. See you in another video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Take care of yourselves, of your beautiful selves.